In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your logo in InVideo. Let's get started right from the top. First, make sure you're logged into your InVideo account. Having an active session ensures all your changes are saved to your workspace and synced across devices. A stable internet connection and a modern browser help the editor load smoothly, so give the page a moment to fully render before moving on. Once you're signed in, create a new project or open an existing one you want to brand. If you're already mid-edit, you can continue right where you left off. The key is simply to be inside the editor so you can see your video preview and the main workspace. This is where you'll access the branding tools. Now take a look at the workspace or the video preview area. On the upper right, you'll see a button specifically for adding a logo. Depending on your version, it may be labeled or represented by an icon, but it will be clearly associated with logos and typically sits at the top right corner of the preview area. This is the quick access point for adding brand elements without digging through menus. Go ahead and click that button. When you do, InVideo will prompt you to choose a file. You'll either see your computer's file picker or a media panel where you can select from previously uploaded assets. This is designed to be straightforward. The goal is simply to point InVideo to the correct logo file. Next, select your logo. For best results, use a high-quality image file, such as a PNG with a transparent background so it looks clean over your footage. Keep the file size reasonable to maintain smooth editing performance. If you've got multiple versions, like light and dark variants, choose the one that provides the best contrast against your current video content. After you select it, the editor will load the file and place it into your project. If the image doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment to process and make sure you've selected the correct file type supported by the platform. That's all it takes. You've logged in, opened your project, found the Add Logo button on the upper right of the workspace or preview, clicked it, and selected your logo. With those steps complete, your brand is now part of your project, ready to be visible throughout your edit and final export. Thanks for watching and enjoy confidently branding your videos in InVideo.